I'm reading this powerful book. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and it's from Joseph Murphy. You got to get this book. And I just want to read you a quick passage here in chapter 5. It's called Releasing the Kinetic Action of the Subconscious Mind. A psychologist friend of mine told me that a biopsy had shown the presence of cancerous cells in a vital organ. Her oncologist recommended a painful and dangerous treatment. Before agreeing, my friend tried another approach. Every night before going to sleep, she quietly affirmed, "Every cell, nerve, tissue, and organ is now being made whole, pure, and perfect. My whole body is being restored to health and harmony." A complete healing followed in about a month's time. Subsequent tests showed that the cancerous cells were no longer present. I was very impressed by this, but also curious. I asked her why she repeated her affirmation prior to sleep. She told me, once it is set in motion in a certain direction, the kinetic action of the subconscious mind continues through your sleep. That is why it is so critical to give the subconscious mind something beneficial to work on as you drop off into slumber. This is a very wise answer. Notice also that in thinking of harmony and perfect health, she never referred to her condition by name. Let's see what she said again. Every night before going to sleep, she quietly affirmed, "Every cell, nerve, tissue, and organ is now being made whole, pure, and perfect. My whole body is being restored to health and harmony." Notice also that in the thinking of harmony and perfect health, she never referred to her condition by name. I strongly suggest that you stop talking about your ailments or giving them a name, especially in the hours leading up to sleep. The only sap from which they draw life is your attention and fear of them. Like the above-mentioned psychologist, become a mental surgeon. Then your troubles will be cut off, the way dead branches are pruned from a tree. On the other hand, if you are constantly naming your aches and symptoms and discussing them, you give them power over you. You inhibit the kinetic action that releases the healing power and energy of your subconscious mind. Furthermore, by the law of your own mind, these imaginings tend to take shape as a thing I greatly feared. Fill your mind with the great truths of life and walk forward in the light of love. Here's some things to remember on this chapter. This chapter was called Mental Healings in Modern Times. Ideas to remember. Number 1. Find out what it is that heals you. Realize that correct directions given to your subconscious mind will heal your mind and body. Number 2. Develop a definite plan for turning over your requests or desires to your subconscious mind. Number 3. Imagine the end desired and feel its reality. Follow it through and you will get definite results. Number 4. Decide what belief is. Know that belief is a thought in your mind and that what you think you create. Number 5. It is foolish to believe in sickness or in anything that will hurt or harm you. Believe in perfect health, prosperity, peace, wealth, and divine guidance. Number 6. Great and noble thoughts upon you. Let me read that again. Great and noble thoughts upon which you habitually dwell become great acts. Number 7. Apply the power of prayer therapy in your life. Choose a certain plan, idea, or mental picture. Unite mentally and emotionally with that idea. As you remain faithful to your mental attitude, your prayer will be answered. Number 8. Always remember, if you really want the power to heal, you can have it through faith, which means knowledge of the working of your conscious and subconscious mind. Faith comes with understanding. Number 9. Blind faith means that a person may get results in healing without any scientific understanding of the powers and forces involved. Number 10. Learn to pray for your loved ones who may be ill. Quiet your mind. Your thoughts of health, vitality, and perfection operating through the one universal subjective mind will be felt and made manifest of the mind of your loved one. Hey, this book tells you all kinds of good things that I think you need in your life. Everybody needs something in their life, something to get better and to portray yourself out to the world. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Oh, you know what? That was chapter 5, not chapter 7. Okay? Now, next time, I'm going to read from chapter 6. I'm going to pick out some good things that I think you might be interested in. See you then.